Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing this very simple, clean, classic everyday makeup look. This is a very basic neutral tone makeup look which will go with each and everything that you wear, and it will look good on each and everybody. It is a very quick and a very easy to do makeup look, and you can do it in under 10 minutes and it will look chic and elegant and beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started with today's video. I'll be starting off with the base makeup, and first of all I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector, and with the help of my finger I'm applying a very light amount of it onto my under eyes where I have the most dark pigmentation, and I'll also take it a tad bit onto my eyelids. For the foundation, I'm taking my Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation, and I'm just taking out 2 pumps of it on the back of my hand, and then with the help of my finger I'm spreading it out on the face, and then I'll just blend it out using my beauty sponge. It is a beautiful, lightweight and a very natural looking foundation. It looks just like your skin but better. It gives that very nice medium coverage, and it will even out your skin tone so nicely and still give you that nice luminous look to the face. It's not a flat matte. It will give you that really beautiful dewy finish to the face. And next for the concealer, again I'm taking my Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer and applying it just on my under eyes and the center of the face, and then with the same beauty sponge I'll just blend it out. It's a really beautiful, almost a fuller coverage kind of a concealer, but it feels so lightweight on the skin, does not cake up or crease onto your under eyes, and looks really beautiful throughout the day. It does not give that makeup-y kind of a look to the face. It looks really nice and natural. Next, to set the concealer, I'm taking one of my favorites from the drugstore. This is the Wet n Wild Photofocus Pressed Powder, and with the smaller powder brush I'm using it just to set the areas where I have applied the concealer, that is on and around the eyes and the center of the face. It's a beautiful lightweight powder, and it does not look like a powder on the skin. It gives that really nice and a natural finish to the face, and also does a wonderful job at setting the concealer in its place. Next for the eyes, I'm taking my Colorbar Just Smoky eye pencil in the shade Just Brown, and I'm applying it all over the eyelids up to the crease. I'm not being very precise in the application because I'm going to just smudge it out in the next step anyway. And then with the help of a blending brush, I'm blending out the Kajal all over the eyes. We won't be using any separate eyeshadow on the eyes today, and this is all that I'll be using for the eye look. It is a beautiful brown with lots and lots of silver and copper glitter all through it, and it gives that really beautiful soft smoky look to the eyes. Next, to line my waterline, I'm taking my K-Beauty by Katrina 24-Hour Kajal pencil in the shade Spade, and I'm using it to line my waterline with this. For the mascara, again one of my cult classics. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and you have seen me use this on my channel a lot of times before. I'm just loading up my eyelashes with this. I'm applying 2 to 3 very heavy coats of this on my upper lashes, and it will give them that really nice voluminous and lengthened effect to the eyelashes and give them a really nice fluttery look. Next, I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows off the camera. And then to bronze up the face, I'm taking my L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzer, and with the help of a bronzer brush, I'm applying it on the hollows of the cheeks, along the temples of the forehead, along the jawline, and on the sides of the nose. It's a really beautiful and a soft bronzer and gives that really beautiful bronze and glow to the face. And I'm going to use the same bronzer in the crease of the eyes to add some more definition and to blend out the edges of the eyeliner, and I'll also be using it along with the lower lash line just to blend out the kajal. And for the blush, I'm taking one of my absolute favorites, formula wise and color wise. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. It's a gorgeous peachy blush and it gives that really beautiful flush of color to the cheeks and looks really nice and fresh. I'm applying it on the apples of the cheeks, and I'm also dragging it onto the nose and the chin. And for the highlight, I'm taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold, and I'm applying it on all the high points of the face. It's a gorgeous and a very intense highlighter, so I'm using a very light hand because for an everyday basis I don't want to go very blinding with the highlight. I'm also taking it along with the brow bone and the inner corners of the eyes and the cupid's bow, and it will add that really nice luminous look to the face. And lastly, for the lips, I'm taking my K-Beauty by Katrina Matteinee matte lipstick in the shade Faux Pas. It is an absolutely gorgeous everyday nude shade. It has hints of peach and brown, and it is suitable for all Indian skin tones. The formula on this lipstick is so comfortable. It does not dry out your lips or make them look parched, and it is super comfortable and lasts you the entire day. And then to melt all the makeup in, I'm just spritzing my face with the Wet n Wild Matte Finish Setting Spray. And this, guys, is the final finished look. It looks so nice and elegant and clean and chic, and the best part is all the makeup products that I've used in today's look are from the drugstore and are from the affordable line of makeup. This makeup look is super flattering on all Indian skin tones and would look good with absolutely anything and any color that you wear. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos as much as I enjoy making them for you. I hope you will support my channel, like and share my videos, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.